Okay, so here's the future. The future is automation and AI agents. Okay, and we have built one. I'm going to show you that as well. All right. So let me quickly introduce you to our product, the AI agentic product, the AI agent called Job Feeder. Okay, it's a very simple product. We build it for our customers, many customers, and eventually we productized it. That means we have launched as a separate product altogether. You will be able to find this in our website as well. It's a pretty simple agent. It does two important things. First is it will look for job in a particular location, get all the information, put it in, process that information, and then give that information to you, which is usable. If you try to do it manually using human beings, it's very cumbersome. It takes a very long time, and you need a very large team to do that. The beauty of AI agents is, AI agents can replicate itself infinitely to get job done in a fraction of time. In seconds and in minutes. So it's very simple. You just put the job title that you want or the keyword. You don't even have to put the entire title. You don't have to put logistics solution manager, no, just a keyword like warehouse manager or even that is fine. So it is not really a job title. Even a keyword will work. Just put the location. Preferably, we always tell our customer to put cities, but if you want to put countries, you can do that as well. And then, job posted date for last 3 days, last 7 days, last 30 days, whatever you want, just choose. And then you can choose whether it is full-time, part-time, intern, contractor, freelancer. You can just choose that option, whether it is remote only or not remote, and then just find the job. It's pretty simple. Okay. But the magic happens after that. And I'm going to run that use case right now. I've already signed up into this uh, agent. And I'm going to use the same example of warehouse manager, right? Warehouse. So I'm not even putting the entire job title. I'm just putting a keyword, warehouse manager. I'm keeping the location as United States. I'm hoping that there will be some job posting around this job title in last 3 days. And I'm going to run it right now, right? So once I run it, if I connect it to Slack, it will send the data to my Slack channel in form of a CSV, where you can just, you can even schedule it. I want to not talk about those things, but the idea is that you can just send it to Slack, and if there is your sales team sitting on the Slack, they will just receive this notification, and they can process that information. But nonetheless, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just run this. As you can see, it is going through all this information all across internet in the matter of seconds. I said 3 minutes, but 3 minutes is the max that this tool has ever taken. Typically, it takes less than 30 seconds, to process this information. That's it. So it is processing and the information is right there. Okay. So here's the beauty of this tool. Okay. It gets the data, then it processes the data, and then it puts the data in a usable manner, and then it gives the data to you. That means you can actually go ahead and send it to Slack or download it, right? Download as a CSV. And you can also enrich it. I'm not going to talk about enrichment in today's call, but I'm just going to show you the way things are. Okay. Now look at the data. It has found all the jobs related to warehouse manager and also jobs which are closely related to it, right? For example, outbound warehouse manager, so these are all warehouse manager. I can keep going on. Okay, warehouse operations supervisor. Now this does not have the keyword warehouse manager, but the AI agent has understood that this is the same thing. Warehouse operations supervisor is warehouse manager. Now, how is this different than a search that you do in LinkedIn? Okay, first and foremost, LinkedIn search will only work with LinkedIn and nothing else. This will get the data from all different sources, including the career pages, which is absolutely hidden. Second point is LinkedIn will do what we call as the exact match and the broad match. So initially it will start showing you exact match, warehouse manager, husband, and then it will do a broad match. Anything which is even closely resembling, it will start showing. eventually you'll get like 50,000 jobs. Okay, so you don't know where to stop. Okay, and it's like finding a needle in the haystack. And I'm just talking about LinkedIn. I mean, if you put five different job portals and career pages and all that, just becomes a gigantic amount of data, which is humanly not possible for you to process. Okay, unless you put up a data scientist and all. I mean, and even if you do all of that, the whole point of this kind of data is that it is only going to be relevant if it's real time. If somebody has posted a job 6 months back, that opportunity is gone, right? So it only is effective if it is real time. Something that happened today or yesterday or last week, it is effective. Other than that, this data itself will go stale, right? Let me go through some other stuff. Okay, so for example, it finds the data and it also finds the company's URL, exact URL. Okay, something that the job portals will never give. Job portals will hide the company URL and all, and then you have to copy paste the company name, go to Google, search for it. You've got to do all kind of fancy stuff, to get the URL. But the agent will find it for you. It also finds the description, exact description. You can just go through the description. Okay. It also, I can enrich this data. For example, if I want to enrich who posted this job, I can do that enrichment. I have to run another enrichment here, which I'm not going to do right now. But it can find, and around 50% of the time it will be able to find the contact information of the job poster if everything goes well. It finds the location, exactly where the company is, and also the employment type. It gives all the relevant data, correct? When the job was posted, this was posted 3 days back. Okay. And who is the job provider, right? So as you can see, this is the company career page. This has and this one is the job post portal. ZipRecruiter is like Indeed, right? Job portal. But Compass Group job has come directly from the company career page. This one has come from LinkedIn. So I can just click here and I can go and find the job which has been posted, right? Okay, it's pretty simple, right? And I can also go ahead and download this as a CSV, right? So I can just go ahead and, for example, I want to look for LinkedIn job post or ZipRecruiter. Let me just see. So this is coming from job poster, right? As you can see, there is no Walmart direct domain, and this one is directly coming from the career pages. Okay. And then you can just go ahead and download the CSV and start working with the CSV. You can even upload the CSV directly into Zoom Info and Apollo and find the decision makers, and you can do an outreach. We are also adding more features in this where you can enrich the decision maker data directly here in this particular tool. And you can just download the decision makers and reach out to them. Okay, it's pretty simple. All right. If you're interested in this tool, just go to our website or reach out to us. We'll be happy to show you more and give a full demo as well. All right. So that's it. That's the whole point. If you can figure out all the companies who are posting a job, and if you can make a list of those companies, find all the information about those companies, enrich the data, and find the decision makers in real time, then you can run outbound campaign, you can run LinkedIn campaign, you can even do cold calling. We have one customer who are doing cold calling and they are getting very good results out. Right? We have other customers who are doing outbound email and LinkedIn. So it depends on your industry and depends on your business. You can do all of it. We are also expert in building AI voice agents and cold calling agents. But that's not the topic of the day. The topic of the day is how to find another way of generating B2B leads for your company, which is smart, right? It's more like a growth hack.